So, how you feel, bro?
Well, it's a little surreal. I'm a homeowner, thanks to Ford. I don't know what to say. It's speechless.
When we started this process, you were like, "Nah, I'm just looking around."
Yeah,
Was it fast?
yeah, yeah. It's pretty fast.
And
Yeah, not in a bad way. In a good way.
was it? Was it painless?
Painless, painless. A little emotional, It's a little roller coaster.
But I kept you in check, man.
Yeah, exactly.
So, bro, on behalf of Grace Modern Mortgage and Elevate Real Estate Brokers, bro, I'm proud to say that you're a homeowner. It means a lot to me that I can pour into you at a young age. And, bro, I can't wait to see how the story ends.
Yep.
Anything else you want to add?
Shout out James. Shout out Grace Modern, and God bless. Yeah. Shout out James. Shout out Grace Modern, and God bless. Yeah.